Welcome, folks. Bobby Two Punch breaks on the 7th of August. We are breaking Bomb Box full-size helmet. It's a one-box break. We randomed up our 27 remaining box numbers. 41 is what we got. We did random team sales on your left. Teams and customers have been randomized and alphabetized. Gave them all a chance to trade. Nothing happening now, so here we go. Alright, well, Tampa gonna get the freebie, guys. Tampa Bay getting the freebie. This is fucking crazy, man. This is insane, guys. I don't understand how this is happening. It's good for you guys. This is horrible for fucking me. Bam! Gonna be about our 10th or 12th huge hit in a row, folks. Again, maybe not a gigantor monster, but that is going to be a flex once again, guys, with the Keyshawn Johnson JSA sticker on that for the Jets spot. Wow. Is all I can fucking say, man. It's fucking... We are just pulling nothing but fucking flexes, guys. I extra packed this series just so we wouldn't fucking ruin out, and we have pulled nothing but fucking flexes and F7s and shit. That one's going to Pete. Well, Pete and Leo and them guys got finally back on track today, made up a little ground for themselves. But holy cow, man. We are hitting insanely, guys. It has just been hit after hit after big hit for you, man. We have hit almost no fillers. And I'm sorry if you have been one of the beneficiaries of it, guys, but ain't no one can complain about how we pulled because I have to say it, I'd put this run up against fucking damn near any 25 boxes against any fucking buddy in that ever fucking broke. Especially at the price, man. Come on, that one's going to Pete. Well, guys, up to you. If we're going to be able to get another one out, Tampa got the freebie, and that one's going to Lanny. That is going to wrap up that break, guys. You all have a wonderful